So I have an audio. I'll drag it here, and let's say hmm, check photos. Okay, a photo. Let me drag it here. Okay, we just drag the photo to the end. Right. So both of them will sync together. Are you getting it? But there is an issue. If I try to generate caption, discover that this icon shows that the the capture is not free. As you can see, you have one left for this month. Okay, it means to generate capture, I have to pay. I have to pay for it. Okay, so I will write a program, write a Python program that will generate the capture for us, so we don't need to pay. Don't need to pay to get our capture generated. So just head over to Google Colab, just Google Colab and click on Colab research.program, research.com. So this is it. You will see this interface. So I'll click on new notebook. Okay. Don't worry, the code will be in my GitHub. I will upload it to my GitHub so you can pick it from there. So the first thing we actually need to do is that we need to install few packages. Pip install q upgrade pip. So we have an upgrade of this. All right. We also go with pip. I think I'll just copy this because it's going to help a lot. I hit retyping. We need touch spell RCH. We need touch vision. We need touch audio. Right. I'll get it from the URL https download touch. I think this U is not supposed to be .org slash WebM C121. Okay. I hope this one is alright. We also need faster whisper. Okay. We also need moviepy. Sorry, moviepy. Python and I'm going to peg this out 1.0.3. Okay. So when everything is done, we will just print installation completed. Okay, so let's run the installation. So while installation is going, we'll just, okay, start loading. We just start running orders from faster, from faster underscore whisper. We want to import whisper model. Alright, as you can see, installation completed. Okay, we also want to import moviepy.editor as MP. Okay, we also want to import from date time, import time delta. Okay, and from Google itself, Colab, we want to import eyes. Right, so let's hope this has, okay, successfully. As you can see, it has marked it here that is successful. So the next thing is for us to, I'll just delete this and put a test here. Here we want to upload file, run this part. Okay, this is for uploading of files. Okay, so let's put a code here. So the code we need is uploaded a variable is equals to file dot upload, files dot upload, okay, which is this file dot upload, and we're going to get the file path is equal to list uploaded dot keys right. So we're going to get the first part. Okay, so let's create a function that extracts the audio. So this is to upload the file. All right, so the next part is to create a function that we just create the function here that will extract the audio from the uploaded file. So say extract audio here, and it's going to take the input part. Okay, so if the input part dot lower Okay, but lower. So we're converting everything, the input file, if it is uppercase or whatever, we want to convert everything to lower case so that everything will be okay in our end. Okay, let's just put it that way. So we need to check if it ends with uh, okay, ends with dot mp4. Okay, or sorry, or dot movie dot move comma or dot avi. These are just all different formats. Or dot mkv or dot web for webcam. Okay, sorry, you don't need this. This is Python. Okay, I'm going to print extracting audio. Okay, the video is equals to mp dot video file clip, and it's going to take input part, right? Create another variable. Movie audio path is equals to audio dot wave. Okay, so video dot audio dot write audio file. This will take this audio parts to be false. Log out. Okay, so this will return audio parts and this will return input parts. Okay, that's the end of that function. Audio parts extract audio by parts. Okay, so the next part we're going to load our model from Whisper. All right. I would have loved to run this, but if I run this, it's gonna wait. Okay, let's run this and see. All right. So here we need to upload the MP3. Okay. So it's extracting, as you can see. Once it's done extracting, you see it here as an extracted file as audio.wave. Okay, so here we try to convert it from whatever format it is to this format so it can be easy for us to what to translate. If yeah, translate MP4 from it. Okay, so that's what we did here. All right. Okay. MP4 saving. This is voices, and this is okay. Some voices, and this is some voices. MP4. So it has extracted our audio. So let's move to the next step. The next step is for us to load our model settings. So this will be model, which is equals to Whisper model, which would take, we're going to use large V3, okay. Our device is going to be CUDA, okay. And our compute type is going to be 8 bits, int 8, float 16, right? More compatible with float 16, all right? What next? Uh, so here we'll print transcribing, okay. So I want to transcribe now. At this point, this may take time to transcribe. So we'll say segment info is equals to model dot transcribe. What are we transcribing? We're transcribing our audio path. uh, Our beam size is 5. Uh, vid theta is 2. Is true. Word timestamp is true. Our language is going to be none because we don't know the language. Okay. Now, so what will be here? Once this one is done transcribing, first thing we're going to detect uh, is detecting language. Okay. Okay. So once language is detected, it will tell us the language of the audio. Then at the end of the day, it will create our SRT file. So this is the format for transcription. Okay. We're going to name it subtitles dot srt. Okay. We have to open srt file w for each segment in a segment start. Okay. For start is srt str string time data sequence int. Sorry, this is int, not Round. Also apply here as int. Right. So here I say f right, and start and segment test dot strip. So at the end of the day, we can write here to say that it is done, and we can as well download the file. Files dot what file we downloading? SRT file. Okay. So let's run this. This may take, okay, comma here. All right. So I ran into a problem. Is it that CUDA failed with error CUDA driver version is insufficient for CUDA runtime environment? So this is a problem. And I notice F here is not actually uh, defined. So this is not SRT but F. And I think this should be start time and this should be end time. Okay. So, all right, this one is set. So I think the next thing we need to do is to go to runtime, change runtime, change runtime type to this, which is GPU, and click save. Okay. So at this point, it will work. So it will reset the entire store. So we have to start from the top and start running it again from the top. So to run the installation, which of course is not much. And once we're done with the installation, we run the import. Then we can run this file again. Still loading. Alright, it's completed. So we can run the import. So while the import is running, we can't run this one yet. So it's one after the other. This will just take a few seconds to complete. Yeah, this one is completed. You can see the check mark at the start. we'll run this. Of course, this will ask us to upload our file again. Where is it? Is it? So it will do the extraction because we need the extracted file to work with here. Notice the audio path that is being returned. We use it here. All right. So we just need it to run. Just 48, 50% done. It's now 60%. 70% is very fast. Okay. So once this one is done, we can now run the next one. It's 98% now. It's 100 is done. So you can see the check mark at the beginning and you can see the file uploaded here. So I can run this. Okay. So this will take time because it's actually doing the transcribing now. So this will take time. Depending on the internet speed as well. Depending on yeah, internet speed still matters here. So this will take time. Once it's done transcribing, you will see the subtitle.srt file listed here and it will download automatically here as well. Now as you can see the transcribing, you can see transcribing the target language is in English and transcription is completed. Okay, see transcription is completed. Now it's converting to SRT. Of course SRT is here already. I think the next thing should be download. It doesn't download, you can quickly come here and click download. Okay, this is it. Download it. I've done. I usually use to transcribe my videos. Okay, so you can come here and let me use test. Import local. So I'll go to my downloads. Okay, still transcribing. Sorry, still transcribing is done now. At this point, it's done. You see, it has downloaded, which is the ninth one. So take the ninth one and I'll push it here. With this method, you can even transcribe longer video and so on and so forth. So if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to subscribe as